Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you the treatment of anaphylactic shock. Generally anaphylaxis occurs whenever we are giving the vaccine or some contrast for the CT, or sometimes patient can develop after any drug. So whenever patient is having anaphylactic shock, first we have to do the ABCD. So for airway breathing, start the high flow oxygen by NRF, non-rebreathing mask, and after that keep the patient in supine or Trendelenburg position. Legs should be elevated up to 30 degree, and then you have to give the first drug of choice for the anaphylactic shock, adrenaline, or we can say epinephrine. And the dose of adrenaline for the anaphylactic shock is 0.01 milligram per kilogram, 1:1000 diluted. And we can repeat the same dose after 5 to 10 minutes if the patient is not responding with the first dose. And the maximum dose which we can give is 0.5 ml, and the minimum dose should be given 0.1 ml. And to remember the dose, and there is a trick, weight into 0.01. So because the concentration is 1 milligram per ml, and we have to give the 0.01 milligram or 0.01 ml per kilogram. So just multiply the weight into 0.01, or put the 0.01 in front of the weight will be the state dose, and the minimum dose 0.1 ml, maximum dose 5.5 ml. After giving the adrenaline, and this should be given intramuscular or subcutaneous. We cannot give IV straight dose for the anaphylactic shock. We have to give either IM or subcutaneous. After the straight dose of adrenaline, we should also give the fluid bolus. 15 to 20 ml per kg fluid bolus should be given. And after giving this dose, if patient is not responding, then we have to give the antihistaminic and the steroids. And in antihistaminic, chlorpheniramine maleate 0.2 milligram per kilogram straight dose should be given. And with this we have to give the steroid. In steroid, either hydrocortisone or methylprednisolone should be given. Hydrocortisone dose is 2 to 5 milligram per kilogram. We generally have the 100 milligram dry powder of the hydrocortisone. So this should be dissolved, and after dissolving we have to give the dose of 2 to 5 mg per kg, and or 100 milligram per meter square is also the dose. And after hydrocortisone, if the patient is not responding, we have already given the straight dose of the adrenaline, which is the drug of the choice, and we have to repeat the second adrenaline dose after 5 to 10 minutes. If still patient is not responding, then antihistaminic and steroid straight dose should be given. And if patient is not responding, then continuous infusion of the adrenaline, and also with the QID dose of the steroid, and also VD dose of the antihistaminic should be given. So for the continuous infusion of adrenaline, same dose 0.05 to 3 microgram per kilogram per minute continuous infusion should be started. So this is the algorithm for the anaphylactic shock. First ABCD, start the oxygen, position the patient, then give the straight dose of adrenaline IM 0.01 milligram per kilogram, then give the fluid 20 ml per kg bolus over a period of 10 to 15 minutes, and after that again check, give the second dose of adrenaline, not responding, then the antihistaminic chlorpheniramine 0.2 mg per kg, and if not responding, then steroid hydrocortisone 2 to 5 mg per kg, and if not responding, start the continuous infusion and QID VD doses of the adrenaline and also the steroid and antihistaminic. So this is about the anaphylactic shock. Thank you so much.